지금 여기 흥얼거려 멜로디 참 넓은 순간적들을 every
Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to see you all.
IKEA just dropped a bunch of new items, and today I'm showing you the must-check ones before they're gone. Things sell out fast at
IKEA.
There's also a limited collection people have been buzzing about, so stick around till the end. This time, the kitchen section is just overflowing with new arrivals. Let's start with this series right here. It features a really light beige color with a subtle dotted pattern all over it.
Isn't it lovely?
I'm trying to stay calm and give you an objective review, but honestly, I think it's beautiful. There are 4 different sizes in this series, and they all look super practical. This flat plate especially caught my attention because the edges are ever so slightly raised. That makes it easy for even small children to use. They're microwave safe and dishwasher safe too. Another great point is that they're sold individually, not just in sets. You can buy just one if you want, which I think is a huge plus. But seriously, what do we do? Plates aren't something you can buy all the time, so I honestly struggle when I see nice ones like this. This particular plate feels perfect for serving breakfast or a one-plate meal. This series was designed by Henrik, a well-known IKEA designer. I actually already own some of his other pieces. You know the tableware with the reversed blue detail? That one's by him too, and the rim on this one kind of reminds me of that design.
Oh, and guess what?
There's also a mug in this series. I'd love to pour some coffee into it and enjoy it slowly. The semi-matte texture is also really beautiful. In terms of weight, it didn't feel particularly heavy or light, just right. Speaking of mugs, here's another one I wanted to show you. The color is really lovely. The handle where you place your finger is a bit smaller, which gives it a delicate, well-thought-out look. And here's one more mug. This design has actually been around for a while, in colors like white, beige, and off-white, but now there's a new sand yellow version. There are also matching tableware items in this color. As you can see on the left here, the previous colors used to be sold in sets of 4, but this yellow version is now available individually. I think that's such good news. Also, does anyone know how to pronounce this product name? In Japan, IKEA includes phonetic guides in katakana, which makes things easier, but I'm guessing the original pronunciation is tricky. On the bottom of the dish, there's a little swirl-like pattern. I thought that was a fun detail, and the price is very reasonable. This one's also microwave safe and dishwasher safe. If you take a closer look at the bowl, you can see a bit of that same pattern on the side. There's another new tableware series this season that really caught my eye. It features a striped pattern and includes both bowls and plates. They come in pink and gray, and once again, they were designed by Henrik. Clear plates like this are pretty rare, so I thought they were quite unique. These are also microwave safe and dishwasher safe. And yes, they're sold individually, which makes it easy to get just what you need. The bowls in particular have become very popular, and some stores are already running low, so I recommend checking availability online beforehand. When I first saw this online, I thought it was just a simple bowl, but up close it actually has a soft, elegant pattern.
It's really beautiful.
The shape is also quite round, giving it a charming and gentle look. This one's also designed by Henrik. The larger size feels very airy and refreshing. It also says that these are stackable for easy storage. Online, it was a bit hard to see the scale, but this bowl is actually quite large. This one is a serving bowl. Compared with the other tableware around it, you can really see how large it is. It comes in gray, and the simple design makes it both stylish and versatile. Now here's one of the most talked about new items this season. These clips. There's usually a delay between when things appear online and when they hit the shelves in stores, and availability can vary a lot from one location to another. But in this case, stores actually got them first. I got so many messages on Instagram saying things like, "I just found the cutest clip," so it was definitely a trending item. Let me show you some of the other things I picked up too. Along with the clips, I also got this tote bag. I had to stuff everything into it. This one here is a magazine file, and this item is a liner for a cart. It's made of felt, and on the back it has this anti-slip surface. I've actually been using this as a mouse pad. After about 2 years of daily use, it started to look a bit worn, so I decided to replace it. Now back to the clips everyone's been talking about. The spring tension feels just right. Firm, but not too strong. And when I opened the package, I found out they're magnetic. It's a set of 6 clips, 2 large ones and 4 mini ones. The color scheme is really well done too. Let's test the magnet strength. It's not as strong as the Kong's Force clips, but it still works fine. It's strong enough to hold something like a tube of toothpaste. You could stick a letter you need to send tomorrow by your door, or put a note up on a whiteboard. I personally use 2 IKEA side tables in my bathroom like open shelving. I wanted to make use of the space above my robot vacuum, so I've been using that area creatively. Since the table surface is magnetic, I use it to hold things like rubber gloves or organize cords. In one of my previous videos, I talked about IKEA's file boxes and how the popular TJOG series had been discontinued. I wasn't sure what to do about that. But then this new product came out, and I thought it looked really nice in terms of both design and color, so I picked one up. There's also a little slot where you can hook your finger, which makes it easy to pull out. You can even see a tiny bit of the contents through the side, which I think is helpful. Just enough to give you a quick idea of what's inside. The edges are nicely finished too. There have been some products in the past where the edges looked a bit rough. So this was a pleasant surprise. Here's how it looks compared to Tigena. It's about 1 centimeter taller than Tigena, but the width and depth are the same. So I'm guessing it's probably the same size as TJOG. As for how sturdy it feels, I'd say it's about the same as Tigena. The color would also pair really nicely with stationery.
From Muji, in my opinion.
Let's head back to the store for a moment. In this room set, I spotted a brand new ottoman from the Söderhamn series. Söderhamn is actually IKEA's most popular sofa series, but until now, the only ottoman available was about twice this size. If I remember correctly, so this new version was highly anticipated. I'm sure a lot of people have been waiting for it. By adding this ottoman, you can make your sofa the same size as the chaise version of Söderhamn. And since it's an ottoman, you can move it around freely or use it on its own as a chair. That flexibility is great. It's perfect for compact living rooms. Also, I really like the choice of cushions in this room set. Placing 2 of them in the middle like that, I thought it looked really stylish. This next part might be a little niche, but I noticed that the lingonberry jam served in the restaurant has been updated. It hadn't been available for a while, but now it's finally back in the food section. Here's a thick cushion that you can also use as a floor pillow. I think the white one, or maybe the gray one too, was released around springtime. but this was my first time seeing the gray color in person. It felt pretty soft. I was thinking it'd be useful for when your kids have friends over and there isn't enough seating in the room. It's nice to have something like this on hand. There are also a bunch of new cushion covers out now for the fall season. Let me start by showing you this gingham check design. The fabric is 100% cotton and it kind of reminded me of a shirt, in a good way. The large navy check pattern is very calming. It gives off a cozy vibe. And there's also a new bedding set with a similar check pattern. There are quite a few new sheets and duvets this season, so you have a lot of options to choose from. This multicolor check pattern here is made of cotton flannel, which makes it a great choice for fall and winter. Another set that I thought looked amazing was this navy one with brown stitched checks. The reverse side is striped, which adds a fun contrast. It's a really nice detail. This particular item also has little holes in the corners, making it easier to insert your comforter. I love when there's thoughtful functionality like that. I know I've wandered a bit here, but yes, this is the new gingham flannel duvet cover I mentioned earlier. It looks super warm and cozy. I found myself really drawn to all the navy items this season. There's a long-standing series at IKEA called Dvala, and this season they've added a navy option to the lineup. I actually used these pillowcases myself. They're 100% cotton, easy to wash, and just all around great. Now about the fitted sheets. IKEA's sheets are typically made to fit EU bed sizes, so they don't always match up with standard sizes in Japan or the US. That's been a bit of an issue. But this new series looked like it came in a wide range of sizes, not just European ones. I thought there might be options for other countries too, and they do come in 5 colors. If there were a size to match Japanese beds, that would be amazing, especially since IKEA sheets are so affordable. But after checking more carefully, it turns out they're still based on EU standards, with only a semi-single size added. My Muji bed is about 97 centimeters wide, and I didn't find anything that fit that size exactly. Honestly, in that case, I think the Dvala series might still be a better option since they offer a 100 centimeter width. I've heard US beds are also different from EU sizes. Is anyone using IKEA's fitted sheets on a Japanese or US size bed? This Bluetooth speaker has been going viral worldwide, and it's finally available in Japan as well. It comes in 3 colors, and the reason it's become such a hit is really its design. People all over the world have been talking about how stylish and compact it looks, and I can definitely see it catching on here too. What impressed me is that even the power cord is designed to match the body color. If it were you, which color would you go for? A highly anticipated limited edition collection has just launched. I had the chance to attend the press preview event. The person on the left is the designer Gustav. You might recognize his work, especially his famous mirrors and bookends. This time, he collaborated with IKEA to create a fun and festive tableware collection perfect for holiday parties. Personally, I was really drawn to this light. It's a portable lamp made of plastic, and it felt super lightweight. One of the highlights is definitely this meatball plate. Gustav absolutely loves meatballs, so he wanted to make a plate fit for a king to enjoy them on. Of course, you can use it for anything you like, not just meatballs. It's the kind of plate where you can lay out your favorite side dishes like royalty. What would you serve on it? There was also this flower vase that wobbles and sways when you put flowers in it. It was such a fun and unique design. And this saucer and cup set was inspired by Swedish holiday parties, where people bake tons of cookies. Gustav's grandmother used to struggle carrying all the cookies, so he designed this cup that lets you carry cookies along with it. The cup is on the smaller side, but the stackable design is just so charming. It's exactly the kind of thing that brings excitement to a party. The collection will launch at IKEA USA on September 9th, but the release dates differ from country to country. I'm so grateful to be able to experience moments like this, and it's all thanks to your support. I'll keep cheering for IKEA as a devoted fan. Also, in October, a new line of Japanese Minoyaki-inspired tableware will be launching here. There are 9 different sizes, and the dishes are known to be durable. They actually felt a bit lighter to me compared to IKEA's usual dinnerware. The price is slightly higher than usual IKEA prices, but they're made in Japan, and honestly, I really want them. I want too many plates. They'll be available in 9 Asian countries at first, but it sounds like global expansion is under consideration. I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, this video got a little long, but there's just so much exciting news to share. I'll keep posting about new IKEA products on my YouTube channel and also on Instagram stories, so please come check them out. Also, YouTube community posts are now open to viewers too. You'll need the YouTube app for it, but if you'd like, please share your IKEA finds or recent purchases there. Let's have fun as IKEA fans together.
Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you again in the next video very soon.